Is your iPhone's Wi-Fi gray out and not available on your device? Hello there, this is Eve. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 different processes to solve your Wi-Fi gray issues on any iPhone running new or old iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get going. Before you do anything, I highly recommend you do check the hardware issues for your iPhone's Wi-Fi adapter. To check hardware, open your App Store, download any hardware test app, open this app. Now once you come over here and check your Wi-Fi. Now test out your Wi-Fi. Now if you see this, the Wi-Fi is not working. In that case, you need to repair it, or if this says working properly but you have issues, then follow the next process. Solution 1. Turn off Wi-Fi restriction. Open setting, scroll down, tap screen time, scroll down again, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn off this option from here. Solution 2. Reset the Wi-Fi setting on iPhone. Open setting, scroll down, tap general, scroll down again, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, tap network settings, tap reset network. After all the process, your Wi-Fi gray out, the problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.